Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, solid-state drive if installed, system board, and display panel assembly. Removal: remove the 2mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the base enclosure. Lift the power connector bracket off of the alignment pin on the base enclosure and remove. Slide the power connector out of the cradle on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement: insert the power connector into the cradle on the base enclosure. Tow the power connector bracket behind the tab on the base enclosure and place it onto the alignment pin. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the power connector bracket to the base enclosure.